Hello everyone, I'm speaking from Bangkok after we have just finalized the regional workshop on One Health in Southeast Asia. So actually very happy to be back to the region to meet many friends here in Southeast Asia. So the objective of the workshop was really to discuss how to better operationalize and invest One Health for Southeast Asia, and we had basically many people coming from 7 countries, but also many regional platforms in Southeast Asia, together with the donor, together with government people, researcher, university, practitioners of One Health. So we could review very nicely what has been happening in One Health for Southeast Asia from different perspectives: research, education, policy translation, practice on the ground, etc. But more importantly, partners and participants really discuss options and ranking actually different priorities, how to approach donors to have more investment, but also approaching government to invest in One Health. And we talked a lot about ASEAN as an important platform in the region to invest and coordinate and actually facilitate the One Health implementation in the region. We talked a lot also about how to bring One Health from global scale to the national and also implement One Health on the ground, because many problems coming from there. We talked about zoonotic diseases, we talked about antimicrobial resistance, we talked about foodborne diseases, on this major issue of linked to One Health, but we talked also about ecosystem health, plant health as an integrated part of the updated definition of One Health defined by the Quadripartite and high-level expert panel of One Health set by the Quadripartite. So next step, we will come up with a report, and we come up with potentially a few brief, maybe policy relevant message to share with different partners, different platform, and we try to engage with regional platform and organization like ASEAN, like country who were involved in this meeting, but also donor. And this meeting was organized by CGIAR INRE, where I work for. I work for this organization, International Livestock Research Institute, and actually we have here a few initiatives, including ASEAN CGIAR Innovate for Food and Nutrition Security, for me CGIAR ASEAN Food System Initiative. We have also initiative on One Health of CGIAR that I'm leading, but also co-organized with Sihun Southeast Asia One Health University Network. So looking forward to the next step, and we will share more information once the final product of the workshop has been finalized. So thank you very much. Bye bye Bangkok, and see you very soon.